Talking about, the different brands of air conditioning units, right? So what are your top 3 brands that you like to install?
We install Train and Lennox and Rheem and York. And my son is...
We're about the same. We do the same brands, whatever you have at the house.
Okay.
We take care of it.
All right, so my favorite brand is, not that I'm asking you guys the questions, but mine is Train.
Yes.
Anyways.
You sure ask which units we have in our house. And then my house is Train, her house is Train, and his house is Train.
So there's the answer. That's your top favorite, Train.
That is the best from the best.